Sri. Okay, yeah, you are recording it now. I want to. Okay, where is it? Okay, I want to repeat some points from our discussion last week about the discussion section of research articles. Yeah, this is an important section because this is where we address the importance information or our contribution to the knowledge, available knowledge, or the new information, for the readers, or which is also called novelty of our research. So if uh, authors or if readers read our articles, they will mostly read this part, the discussion section of our articles, because they want to know what is the new information from our research, and they may cite the new information. Yeah, particularly when they write the literature review section or part of their articles, they need relevant studies, and they need to cite the findings of the relevant studies and the discussion, the reason for the finding or the interpretation of the finding. As you can see here, the discussion section may have up to six moves. Yeah? Move 7 and 8 are often addressed in the conclusion section. Okay, so move one is the background information, and usually authors restate the objective of the study or the research question one by one. And then in move two, the authors address the results, for the first research question or objective. Number three, move three is only optional. It is not important. Only if you find something unexpected, yeah, or your finding is different from what you expected, before doing the research. And then move four, this is the comparison. Yeah, you can compare. You have to compare your findings, with the findings of other authors who already published their articles in journals, and uh, it is better for you to choose the different findings. So your findings are different from the findings of others. So if they are all the same, your findings are the same with those of others, uh, it means that you don't give new information, yeah, to the readers, because your findings are the same. Okay, so find different findings to compare, to show that your finding is important, is new. Yeah. Number five, yeah, explanation of the result. This is your interpretation. Yeah. What do you think? What does it mean? Yeah. What is the meaning of your finding? Yeah. What is the yeah. Uh, why is it, yeah, why did you get such a result? Okay, and you have to discuss this, you have to give your opinion, although your opinion may be only a possibility, and therefore you have to use hedges like it may, or possibly this is because, or maybe it means, and so on. Okay. You can also move, uh, or you can also address move five first and then move four. Yeah, so it is okay. Yeah, yeah. So you don't have to address move four first and then move five. And then six, illustration, yeah, to support the the research results. Yeah. Illustration means examples, yeah, of your data if it is necessary. If you think that you need to give an illustration or an example of your data to explain, yeah, your discussion, to explain what you mean by your interpretation. Yeah. And for move four and five, yeah, you need references, okay? Uh, because you are arguing here. Yeah? Move five, for example, when you explain the meaning of your finding, yeah, first you give your own opinion or idea, and then to make it stronger, more argumentative, you have to support, yeah, your opinion or your idea, yeah, with references, yeah, relevant references. Okay, so to make it stronger and more convincing. And for more four, of course, yeah, you need references here because you compare your findings with the findings of others. Okay, so this is about uh, uh, discussion. Yeah, this is an important section of your article, yeah, and therefore you have to study this. Yeah, you have to know the moves and examples, and then you have to practice, yeah, writing the discussion, yeah, section of your articles. Okay. Okay. Then we are going to look at. Okay. We are going to look at the next section, which is uh, okay. Now, before we look at uh, the last section, yeah, I want to show you an example of discussion section, yeah, in the articles. Okay, so this is the example. This article is titled "The Rhetorical Problems Experienced by Indonesian Lecturers in Social Sciences and Humanities in Writing Research Articles for International Journals." Yeah. I published this article in the Asian Journals of Applied Linguistics, yeah, published by a university in Hong Kong, yeah, in 2020. Yeah, it's called the Asian Journal of Applied Linguistics. Yeah, okay. Now we look at the discussion section, the first part of the discussion section. So this one, yeah. So move one here is the one marked in yellow. Yeah, the first area addressed in this study is the common rhetorical problems experienced by Indonesian authors in social sciences and humanities, yeah, when writing research article abstracts. So this is the restatement of the first objective of the research. Okay, this is move one. And the one in green, the majority of authors in this study wrote an incomplete abstract, yeah, with only four moves. Yeah, most of them did not write move five, yeah, conclusion or suggestion. So this is move two, yeah, the research results. Okay, yeah, the result, yeah, to respond to the research objective, which is in yellow. And then the next part, yeah, this implies that the authors in this study are already aware of the importance of addressing moves in the abstract, especially move one, move two, move one, yeah, move one until move four, actually. Yeah, so this is my interpretation. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the interpretation uh, of the results, yeah, the first result, yeah, responding to the first question. And then I have to support, yeah, my interpretation with reference, yeah, to make it strong, yeah, and convincing. Yeah, I cite here Zhang. Yeah, according to Zhang et al. Actually, yeah, Suk and Pramul Suk, 2012, the existence of move one and move five, conclusion and significance will make research article abstract more effective in attracting readers and through move one especially authors can convince readers that the topic of the research is important. Okay, so this is the reference, yeah, I use to support my interpretation. Okay, yeah, so this is part the first part or the first paragraph uh, of the discussion section, yeah, consists of four moves. Move one, yeah, move two, yeah, move four or five, yeah, four or five. Okay, yeah, three moves, yeah, three moves here. Move one, move two, and then move five here. Okay. Yeah, the interpretation, yeah, or the meaning of the finding, yeah. And then I went on to move four, yeah, the comparison uh, with I compared my finding with the findings of other researchers, yeah. I started the second paragraph with this finding contrasts, yeah, with Arshad. So I found I chose the contrastive finding, not the same finding. Yeah, this finding contrasts with Arshad 2014, who found that the majority of research article abstract written by Indonesian authors in social science and humanities and published in national journals in Indonesia have only three moves. Yeah. So Arshad 2014 found only three moves in the research articles abstract. Yeah, the purpose, method, and result. Yeah, of the research, and very few of them have a move one. Yeah, introduction. This is the reason. Yeah, why the difference are why the findings are different. This may be because, okay, I use maybe because, yeah, I use maybe because this is only my idea, yeah, my opinion. It is not. I am not positive yet. Yeah, I am trying to logically support, yeah, or explain, yeah, the difference, between my present finding and my previous finding, yeah, 2014. Okay, this may be because, yeah, according to Ibnu, okay, so this is the reference, yeah, to discuss the difference. Some journals in Indonesia limit the length of abstract, to be included. Yeah, so this is because, yeah, some journals do not allow authors to write a long abstract. Yeah, they limit the number of words, in the abstract. Yeah, for example, only 100 words, 150 words. Yeah. Yeah, that is one of the reasons, according to Ibnu 2003. Similarly, Waseso 2003 suggests that every journal usually adheres to a particular publication style. And so every journal has their own style, yeah, which impacts, yeah, on the writing of the abstract, yeah, which results in the way the authors write the abstract. For example, the Indonesian Institute of Science style, LIPI, yeah, or the American Psychological Association or style, APA. Yeah, so this is the style. Yeah, Since the research article authors in this study had not yet decided which journal they would submit the manuscript to, they had not yet adjusted the length of the abstract. Yeah. So later, yeah, when they submitted the abstract to a particular journal, that limits the number of words in the abstract, they may have deleted, yeah, move one, yeah, to save space. And this would have left only three moves, yeah, move two, three, and four. Okay, remember that I studied the article abstract, yeah, not the published articles yet in this study, only the abstract, yeah, written by university lecturers, yeah, only 20 lecturers, 20 abstract or 20 articles, yeah, and then I analyzed only the abstract, and then I found, yeah, that the majority of them use only yeah, four, yeah, four moves, yeah, not five moves. Okay, so this is the way I discuss my first finding, yeah, of the research. I started by restating the objective of the study, or my first objective of the study, and then I state, yeah, the results, and then the interpretation, and to support my interpretation, I cite references here, relevant references, and then move four. Yeah, move four is the comparison. I compared my finding with the findings of other authors. Okay, and since the finding is different, even the contrast, yeah, I have to I have to justify or explain, yeah, why are they different, yeah. And then, of course, I just give my opinion first, and then I have to support, yeah, that idea with references. Okay, so this is the way how to write the discussion section. Yeah? And then I refer to the second finding, or the second research question, and then the third research question. Okay, so this is the way to write, yeah, the discussion section. Yeah. So again, remember that this section is the most difficult one to write. Yeah, because we have to argue strongly, yeah, to convince readers that our research findings or results are logic, yeah, acceptable, important, interesting, yeah, and then, yeah, we expect that authors or readers, yeah, who read our articles may read, yeah, the discussion section, and may cite, yeah, the discussions, our research. Yeah, so if our finding are not interesting, are not new, are not convincing, yeah, they may not cite, yeah, because yeah, they may think that our discussion is weak, yeah, not convincing, and why should they cite our findings? Yeah. Okay, so this is a short short repetition, for the last week's discussion about the discussion section, an important part of the article. In your thesis, yeah, later you have to write the discussion section too, which is in chapter 4, or 5. Yeah, it depends on the thesis writing guidelines. Okay, and you can do the same. Yeah, you have to refer to each research question, and then state your findings and discuss your findings. Yeah, with the help of reference. Yeah, because you have to argue, yeah, for your findings, and then compare your findings with those of other researchers, yeah, found in in the literature. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Before we go on to the last section, yeah, which is a conclusion, is there any question? Are you confident enough, yeah, to write your discussion section? In some journals, yeah, result and discussion are combined, yeah, at the same place. Yeah. In other journals, they are separated. Yeah. We state the result first. We present the results first, and then the discussion. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, in both types or styles, yeah, we can do the same. Yeah? So in the mix, in the combined style, yeah, after presenting our tables, for example, our examples, and then we discuss, yeah, the findings. Yeah? You don't need to repeat your research question. Yeah? You don't need to state again your result because you have just presented your results. Okay. You can discuss your findings directly, yeah, after the presentation of your results. Okay. Okay. Is there any question? No question? Okay. We go on to the last section of research article, which is the conclusion section. This is the conclusion section. In thesis, yeah, in the thesis, this is in the last chapter, yeah, in the last chapter of your thesis. Okay, uh, I have written a book about this, yeah, in Indonesian, yeah, writing conclusion section of international journals articles. Okay. Okay. The discussion and conclusion, yeah, according to Swales and Postoguilo, yeah, conclusion section is considered as part of the discussion section. Okay. Yeah, that's why, according to Swales, the discussion section has 8 moves. Yeah, because the move 7 and move 8 are conclusion section, conclusion and suggestion section. This may be why the research student on the structural organization of research article conclusion section are scarce. Yeah, yeah, because people rarely study the conclusion section, yeah, because they are included in the discussion section. Okay. According to Young and Allison and Zamani and Ebadi, the conclusion section is regarded as a distinct, yeah, move apart from the discussion. Okay, so these are two different opinions. Yeah? According to Swales, conclusion and discussion and conclusion are in the same section, but according to other authors, other experts, yeah, they must be separated. Yeah? Okay, the importance of the sorry, importance of the conclusion section, in spite of providing an outline of the article, yeah, this conclusion section states other essential components, such as recommendation or suggestion and implication, yeah, of possible lines of future research, yeah, or suggestion for future research. Yeah, and also, yeah, uh, conclusion section may uh, consists of a statement about limitation. Okay, so the summary of results or findings, and then the limitation of the study, usually about the method, and then suggestion for future studies, yeah, and then implication. So implication is also suggestion, but not for future research, yeah. So implication is suggestion to be implemented, yeah, based on the research results, okay, in practice, yeah, not in theory. According to Sandoval, yeah, one of the parts in research article which is difficult to write and authors spend a considerable amount of time writing is the conclusion section. Okay, so this is according to Sandoval. Yeah? But I think, yeah, in my opinion, two most difficult section to write are introduction section, especially the literature review, yeah, and the discussion section. Yeah, so these two section are the most difficult section to write. Yeah. Okay. And use, yeah, we have to use more references in these two parts of our articles. Yeah. Uh, it is the use of references. Yeah, uh, we have to use references, and therefore it is difficult to write. Okay, because we cannot only uh, summarize, yeah, of the idea of authors in the article that we cite. Yeah, we cannot only restate, yeah, what is written by other people, by other authors. Yeah, we have to give our opinion. We have to show our stance, our position. Okay, uh, while actually we are expected, yeah, to disagree, yeah, or to criticize, yeah, other people's opinion, other people's findings or results, yeah. And it is not easy, yeah, because uh, maybe in our culture, yeah, we are trained not to be critical. Yeah, we are not allowed, or at least we are educated, yeah, to accept other people's idea, yeah, not to counter other people's ideas. Yeah, because for us, yeah, the people in Asia or in Southeast Asia, harmony, yeah, is more important, yeah, than winning, yeah, winning a debate, winning an argument. Okay, we accept, yeah, to have different opinion. Yeah, we accept to be uh, in different position, yeah? And we don't want to uh, argue with people, yeah, or we don't want to work hard, yeah, to change our our opponent's position, yeah, into our position, yeah. So we are not familiar with debating. Okay, uh, yeah, I think the condition is the same, yeah, in Southeast or Asia, yeah, where, yeah, we are not very critical, yeah. Uh, Critical thinking or critical writing, critical reading is not. We are not well trained, yeah, how to criticize other people's opinion, yeah. Or maybe we are not confident enough, yeah, especially when we read text in English or books in English, yeah, we are not confident to show, to criticize, yeah, the content of the book or the content of the articles, yeah, because English is not our first language, yeah, or maybe we may think that uh, yeah, because our English is not good enough, yeah, we may misunderstand, yeah, what we read. Yeah. So yeah. Critical reading or critical thinking is the second from the top, yeah, level of hierarchy of uh, Zoom, yeah, taxonomy. Yeah, the highest one is creation. Yeah, creation. Yeah, the second from the top is evaluation. Yeah. So this critical reading is in the second level, evaluation. We have to evaluate. We have to criticize. Yeah. By criticizing means, yeah, we have to show our position, agree or disagree, yeah, with the opinion or the idea of other peoples. Yeah. And it is not easy. It is not easy. Yeah, particularly when we read something written in English. Yeah, maybe it is easier for us when we read something in our first language or second language. Yeah, so like for me, yeah, I find it easier to read text in Indonesian language and to criticize it. Yeah, compared to text written in English. Yeah. Okay, so this is the posture of research article. Okay, so this is from the abstract. Okay, uh, problem. This is a simple one. Okay, a simple one, and then the introduction from general to specific. Yeah, when we read the literature review, it becomes more specific. Yeah, we start from general and we move to more specific area or scope. Yeah, of the knowledge, yeah, or the topic, and then methodology, and then result, and then discussion. Yeah, so discussion. Yeah, we move larger or wider, yeah, to the general, yeah, idea from our finding. Yeah. And then conclusion, acknowledgement, and references. Okay. So if you are interested in doing research, yeah, to study the research articles, yeah, you can choose um, one one of this section. Yeah, you can choose to study only abstract. Yeah, you can choose to study, yeah, the introduction. Yeah, only the literature review, only the methodology. Yeah, only the results, discussion. Yeah, conclusion, or even, yeah, you can do research in part of the section. Yeah, for example, yeah, the introduction, you only focus on the first and the second paragraph of the introduction, which is called a centrality claim. Yeah. In the literature, for example, you are interested in analyzing the citation style, yeah, and the argument style. Okay, in the literature review. In the methodology, yeah, you can analyze the rhetorical structure, yeah, the moves, and then the argument style and linguistic features, yeah, linguistic resources, yeah, used by the authors, yeah, in the methodology. And the same thing for results, yeah, discussion, and then conclusion. Okay. In the discussion section, yeah, you can analyze the rhetorical structure, or you can also analyze the way authors justify their findings. Yeah, which is called here academic conflicts. Yeah, academic conflict strategies. Yeah, how authors, yeah, support the importance of their findings and then compare the findings with the findings of others. It is called the academic conflict unit in the article. The same thing for conclusion. Yeah, you can. Um, I have I wrote an article, or I did research uh, for conclusion section, only part of the conclusion section, yeah, how authors address the limitation of their study. Okay, so the title of the article is "This study is not without limitation." Yeah, how authors uh, how authors address the limitation of the study, yeah, in the research article conclusion. Yeah, so my study, my research is on a part of the conclusion section, not the whole conclusion section. So there are many topics or many focus, yeah, that we can take, yeah, to study research articles. Yeah. So why research articles? Yeah, because research articles are the most productive language product. Okay, yeah, in academic atmosphere. Yeah? Because you see, there are many researchers, and all researchers want to publish their research results in journals and not in books. Okay, because, yeah, if they publish their articles in journals, yeah, or people will read it, yeah, people will cite it, yeah, even they are ready to pay, yeah, for it. They are ready to pay the article processing charge, or APC, yeah, um, to publish their articles in good journals, yeah, not in new journals, or not in uh, poor quality journals, yeah, in good journals, yeah, especially international journals. Yeah, the journals indexed by Scopus are good journals, high quality journals. But we have to be careful, yeah, to choose, yeah, not to choose the poor journals, or the bogus journals, yeah, uh, which is not reliable. Yeah. Usually, these journals have a very high article processing charge, yeah, such as $1,000, $2,000, yeah, which is very expensive, and not only for the student, also for the researchers and lecturers. Okay, so for me, yeah, I don't want to pay that much, yeah, for the publication. Yeah, I am ready to wait, yeah, for 2 or 3 years, yeah, to get my article published, yeah, in a journal, yeah, with a small APC, yeah, article publishing charge, or with a free, yeah, publication. Okay. Discussion and conclusion. Yeah. So establishing territory. Yeah. This the area of our research. Framing principal findings. Yeah. So what are the findings? The principal finding, the interesting and important finding. Reshaping territory. Yeah. So we support, we explain our finding to establish a new territory, or reshape territory, and establishing editorial territory. Okay. Now, this is the rhetorical structure of the conclusion section according to Young and Allison, yeah, in 2003. Yeah. The conclusion section consists of uh, three moves. Yeah. Move one, summarizing the study. Yeah. Move two, evaluating the study. Yeah. Or criticizing, or showing the limitation of the study. And then move three, yeah, deduction from the research. Yeah. Recommending further study. Drawing pedagogical implication. So move one is summarizing the study. So this is where we restate the results, yeah, following the research question. If we have uh, two research questions, so we have to address 2 points, in move one, yeah, two findings, or two results. in move one. Yeah. So move one can be written in one paragraph. Okay. Because this is clear that we summarize, yeah, we restate the important important findings, yeah, of our study, yeah, referring to the research question. Okay, if we have many findings, yeah, we have to choose the the important findings and the interesting findings only. In move two, yeah, we evaluate our study by indicating significance or advantage. Yeah. So, what are the significant, the importance, the advantage of our findings? Okay. Uh, num- Okay. Step one, sorry, step two, indicating limitation, yeah, limitation of the study. Usually, the limitation of the study is about the methodology. Okay. Um, yeah. Step three is also evaluating the methodology. Okay. Um, Indicating limitation is usually about the methodology. So if we do that, we don't need to address move three, yeah, because we have stated the limitation of the study by commenting, yeah, the methodology. For example, yeah, this study has a small sample, okay, or this study has used only one method of data collection, yeah, only through questionnaire, for example, okay, yeah, or this study has a small scope of area, okay, this study uh, uh, is only use quantitative data, yeah, uh, and then, yeah, we suggest or recommend further study based on the limitation of the study. Yeah. So if our study limitation is the small size sample, and of course, for the future studies, yeah, we would suggest that uh, they use larger samples. Yeah. So the recommendation for future studies or further studies must be based on the limitation of our study. Yeah. And then drawing pedagogic implication. Okay. Uh, the pedagogic implication, yeah, is the suggestion, yeah, what should be done, yeah, following the research results. Okay, so uh, it is also suggestion, yeah, but from the research results. So I often, yeah, uh, I usually write a different way, yeah, not like this, yeah. In move one, okay, I summarize my findings, yeah. In move two, I indicate, yeah, the limitation of the study, okay. Uh, Move one, step one, indicating significance of the findings, yeah. Uh, it can be moved to move one. Yeah. So after summarizing our study, and then we comment on the findings, yeah, on the summary of findings. Yeah. Why are they important? Why are they significant? Yeah, for example. So I don't write. Yeah. Uh, I don't write the statement about the significance or advantage of the study findings in move two. Yeah, I write it in move one after stating the summary of the research findings. Okay. In move two, yeah, I indicate limitation of my study. Yeah, and I give the example, yeah, such as the size, or the sample size, the instrument, yeah, the method or technique, yeah, and so on. Okay. And then I recommend further study, yeah, to uh, fill in the gaps left by my present study, yeah, or uh, to do a better research, yeah, or for a better result or more reliable or valid findings, yeah. For example, if I state, yeah, the limitation of the study is that we use only small sample size, yeah, and of course the suggestion for future studies is to use a larger sample of studies, yeah, yeah, uh, to make the result better result, to get a better result. Okay, in move three, uh, I usually I put the implication of the study in move three. Yeah, drawing pedagogy implication. So in move three, I only uh, state, yeah, the pedagogic implication of the finding of the study. Okay, so this is the structure, yeah, the rhetorical structure of conclusion section uh, in journal articles. Okay, if you are interested in doing research, yeah, on the
Sorry, bro. Can you hear me? Sorry to interrupt.
yeah, yeah, please.
Sorry. I want to know more on the move three, like drawing pedagogy implication.
Yeah,
I'm not really clear on this one. Is it the same like recommending further study? Can you give
yeah,
more elaborating on this one?
okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
You. Thank you, bro.
Pedagogic, yeah. Drawing pedagogy implication or the same as recommending, yeah. Uh, what can be done based on the research finding? What can be done, yeah, to solve the problems? Okay. Yeah. Of course, every research is conducted, yeah, because of problems. And so problem is the the important part of research, yeah, the important or the initial trigger, yeah, for a piece of research is problem, yeah. Let take an example of uh, most of the students are passive in the classroom. Yeah, most of the students are reluctant to ask question or to give comments or to answer students teachers question in the classroom. For example, this is problem. Yeah, this is problematic because if the students are silent, yeah, the teachers don't know whether they understand what is being discussed or what is being delivered, yeah, to the student. And also, the student don't use the time to practice, yeah, the English, yeah, in the classroom. Yeah, we know that language is a skill which needs practices. Okay, so that's his problem. Okay, and then we do research, yeah, to find why. Yeah, why are most students reluctant to speak in the classroom? Okay, for example, yeah, we use a questionnaire to get the information from the students, and then we follow up with interview to several students, yeah, several representative students, and then we get the findings or the result. Yeah, the students are, for example, yeah, the students are reluctant to speak, yeah, because they are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of being ashamed in front of their friends. They are uh, they are afraid of showing that their questions are not relevant to the topic being discussed. Okay, so for example, okay, and of course, you have to discuss that findings. Yeah, how will you solve the problem? You know the reason already. Yeah, of course, you have the suggestion or recommendation. Yeah, what should be done if you find that the students are reluctant to speak English because they are afraid, of making mistakes. They are afraid of being ashamed, or shameful, in front of the friends. Okay, so what will be the recommendation? Yeah. For example, based on the result, it is recommended that teachers do not ask the students to ask question, in a big groups. Yeah. So teachers should divide, the student into to work in smaller groups. Two or three students, and then the teachers can ask the student, to write questions, not to ask question to the teachers in the classroom, but to write, the question, and to discuss in the groups. Okay, so that is one of the pedagogic implication. After getting our findings, research findings, and then we think, to how to solve this problem. What can we suggest? Yeah, which can be implemented, not not suggestion for further study, but suggestion, to be practiced, to be implemented, to be done in the classroom, by teachers or by students, so that they can solve the problems of being reluctant, being afraid of speaking in the classroom. So these are different suggestions. Yeah. Step one is suggestion for future studies. Yeah, because we have mentioned the limitation of the study. And the second step is suggestion to solve the problem, to solve the research problems, or at least to minimize, the problems. Yeah, okay, so different suggestion. So pedagogic mean education. Yeah, because this is in the education. Yeah, uh, in different field, maybe not pedagogic implication. Yeah, but just implication. Yeah, or drawing implication or recommending implication, to solve the problem. Yeah, okay, so because we are in the education field. So uh, we have to write, the pedagogic implication here in our conclusion. Okay, is there any other questions? So conclusion section is not long. Don't write a long conclusion section. The proportion of this conclusion section is only 5%, of your of the whole articles. Yeah. If your article is about 6,000 words, so your conclusion is only 5% of 6,000 words, which is about uh, 300, 300 words. Is it 300 words? Yes, 300 words. 300 word is only half a page, or three-quarter of a page. Yeah. Okay, is there any more question? So this is the description of each move. The summarizing the study in move one, author state brief explanation of the major points, or the major finding, or the major result, from the perspective of research. Okay, evaluating the study in move two. Number one, expressing the limitation of the study. Usually about method. Yeah, okay. Number two, indicating the contribution of the study. So, what is the contribution of study? What is the important, interesting finding? Yeah, for readers to get, yeah, to cite, yeah, to take notes. Yeah. So this move to step two, yeah, indicating contribution of the study. What is new in your study? Yeah, is the links you try to find with school performance and so on. Okay, so this is the uh, novelty of the study, the new information, the interesting findings. Okay, and step three, evaluating the methodology. Yeah, uh, okay, but yeah, yeah. Limitation. When we evaluate the methodology, of course, we look at what is lack, yeah, in the method of the study, yeah, the sample size, yeah, the representativeness, yeah, the instrument, research instrument, yeah, and other aspects, yeah, of the method of the study. The limitation of the study can be uh, from other aspect, not just the methodology. For example, the focus of your study is only on, or the emphasis of your study only on a particular aspect, yeah, of one focus. Okay, while there are other aspects, yeah, to focus on. Yeah, so there are uh, uh, several ways of evaluating our study. Yeah, and the move three, deduction from the research. Yeah, recommending further research. Okay, further research might be conducted within a single discipline to specify the degree of variability according to subdiscipline. Authors or researchers uh, must know the limitation of their study and then suggest, yeah, to fix, yeah, that limitation, yeah, for future studies. Okay. And then step two, drawing pedagogic implication. Okay, the suggestion, yeah, to be implemented to solve the problems. Okay, uh, students can also get some idea, some inspiration, yeah, for a piece of research, yeah, for thesis or dissertation, yeah, by reading this move three of the conclusion. Okay, yeah. Uh, by reading the recommendation for further studies, yeah, we get some idea, yeah, what to do. Okay, so yeah, this is one way to find what to do, what research to do, yeah, for your, yeah, for your thesis, yeah, or for your dissertation. Okay, this is the example. Our study revealed that student in this is summary, yeah. This is the summary of the findings, yeah. There are three findings, yeah, summarized in one paragraph. Okay, and then limitation of the study. However, our study has some limitation. First, yeah, and then second, yeah, and then yeah, there are three, yeah, limitation of the study. Okay, and this suggestion for action, this is called implication. Yeah, an important suggestion need to be addressed here that Indonesian research article writers must modify. So this is a suggestion, yeah, to be implemented. This is the pedagogical implication. Yeah. Okay, then suggestion for future studies. Yeah, future research is needed to explore the effectiveness, yeah, of translanguaging for teaching and learning. Yeah, the possibilities of eliminating. So this is the suggestion for future studies. Yeah, for other people. Yeah, not for the authors, not for the researchers. Okay, this the another pedagogical implication. Yeah, what to be done, yeah, based on the research finding, yeah, to solve the problem. Okay, yeah. Now let's look at the example again in the article. Where is
Excuse
the
me, Prof.
article? Yep, yeah, please.
Um, the suggestion for the future study, right?
Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
necessary in the article? I mean,
yes,
um, it's a must as well, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, to make sure, yeah, you have to analyze, yeah, the conclusion of articles. Yeah, you can choose, for example, 10 articles in the field that you are interested in. Yeah, for example, in English language teaching, and then out of 10 research articles, read just the conclusion section, and in how many articles, yeah, can you find the implication, yeah, for the future studies. Okay, so this is the way to uh, yeah, to check, yeah, how important, yeah, that uh, uh, steps, in research article. Okay, let's look at here, yeah, my examples. Okay, here, yeah. Okay, hopefully I write it here. Yeah. This study has found significant differences. So this is the summary of the findings. Okay, and then, yeah, however, they may have problems. Yeah. The main problems are the Indonesian authors. Okay, okay, this behavior may reduce. Okay, this is the importance of the study. The difference in writing style identified here may cause manuscript to be rejected. Okay, and then it is suggested, yeah, that Indonesian author. This is the implication of the study, yeah, pedagogical implication or suggestion to be implemented. It is suggested that Indonesian authors in social sciences and humanities should, yeah, familiarize, yeah, should be familiar with the rhetorical moves in the introduction and discussion section of an article and research article, as they are found in research article published in reputable international journals, yeah, in English, and make use of them. Adjusting, yeah, their rhetorical styles in this way is likely to increase the possibility of their manuscripts, yeah, being accepted by international journals. So this is the suggestion, implication, yeah, the pedagogic implication of the study. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't mention the limitation here. Yeah, I think, or yeah, yeah. Okay, only the summary of the study, and also no suggestion for future studies here. Yeah? Okay, so I published this article in 2020. Yeah, so long time ago. Yeah, in we may check in other articles. Yeah, as an example. Okay, let's look at in another articles. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's look at the conclusion section of these articles. Okay, discussion and then conclusion here. Yeah. Several conclusion can be drawn from the result of this. This is the move one, the summary of the finding. This study, however, only included the limitation of the study. Yeah, limitation about the corpus, the small size sample. Okay, and then therefore, yeah, future studies have to analyze. So this is the suggestion for future studies. Okay, so this is the limitation of the study, and then this is the suggestion for future studies. Okay, next in the last paragraph, this is the implication. Okay, the result of this study have implication, especially for postgraduate students. Yeah. So what should be done, yeah, to improve, yeah, their condition? Okay. The three moves are important or obligatory, yeah, but not all steps are obligatory in each move. And move one has only one step. Yeah. In move two, there are three steps. In move three, there are two steps. Yeah. So at least, yeah, you write one step for each move. Yeah. Maybe not all steps. Okay. So no problem. Okay. Is there any other question?
Hi, sir.
Yep. Yep. Please.
Yeah, just want to ask about the discussion part.
Oh. Okay.
Argue the article, right? So,
Yeah.
when we argue or compare our article with the others, do we need to have our theory to compare with others, or uh, I mean, like, think and then argue like that?
Yeah. When you argue, you mean theory is references, right?
Yeah.
Citation.
Yes.
Yeah. When we argue, yeah, we need reference. We cannot just show our logic, our idea, our opinion. Our opinion is not strong. Yeah? Readers will not trust us because we are not a famous person. Yeah, we are not expert. Yeah, we are the one who cite other people. Okay, so we have to. Yeah, whenever we argue, yeah, we need reference. Yeah, to justify, to support, yeah, to convince readers that what we say, what we think is acceptable, yeah, by other people. So this is the important way of argument. You have to use to support, to cite other people's idea or opinion, yeah, directly or indirectly. Yeah, directly using direct quotation, yeah, indirectly using paraphrase. Yeah, since it is not allowed to quote directly often, yeah, you have to paraphrase. Yeah, you have to practice how to paraphrase. Yeah. Paraphrase mean to take someone's idea, yeah, from a reference, from a source, yeah, and then restate that idea using our words. Yeah. So how to do that? How to paraphrase? Yeah. So first, yeah, for example, yeah, you can summarize, yeah, from other people's, from the text, yeah, from a paragraph, for example, you summarize it into one or two sentences. So how can you summarize it? Yeah, by not by using the same words, yeah, not by using the same sentence. Yeah, some summary. Yeah, you have to practice how to summarize a paragraph into one or two sentences. That's number one, yeah, way. If you have found one sentence and you really want to cite that sentence, but you have cited another sentence directly, and you don't want to cite this sentence directly again, yeah, or direct quotation, yeah, what you have to do first, you change the sentence, yeah. You move the first part to the second part of the sentence. Yeah, for example, yeah, Chinese is the most difficult language to learn. Okay, you change the construction of the sentence. The most difficult language to learn is Chinese. Okay, so Chinese in the first sentence is in the first part of the sentence, and in the second sentence you move it to the second part. But it is not enough. Yeah, it is not enough. Okay, you have to change another one. Yeah, so the most difficult language to learn is Chinese. You have to change the word. Now, how to change the word? Yeah, difficult, yeah, can be changed into hard. Yeah, the hardest language to learn or to study is Mandarin, for example. Yeah, you change Chinese to Mandarin. Yeah, okay. So by doing that, yeah, uh, you have changed the sentences into your own style, into your own sentences. Yeah. So maximally, yeah. Don't just change the words, but also change the construction of the sentence. If it is possible, yeah, or change from active to passive. Okay. Yeah. Or yeah. You can use thesaurus. Yeah. Thesaurus is like a dictionary. Yeah. It is available in the internet. Yeah. To find the synonym. Yeah. Of a word. Yeah. Like difficult. What are other words? Yeah. To choose. Yeah. To replace a difficult. Yeah. Yeah. I often use a thesaurus. Yeah. To get another vocabulary, yeah, uh, to avoid using the same vocabulary, yeah, from a reference, from an article or from a book. Yeah. Okay. Is there any other question? Is it clear? Clear enough? So we have discussed all part of the articles, yeah, from the title in abstract, introduction, literature review, method, discussion, and conclusion. Yeah, yeah. There are some small aspects of writing articles, such as how to cite references, yeah, how to argue, yeah, in the articles, yeah, such as in the abstract, yeah, and how to use linguistic features, yeah, linguistic characteristics, yeah. Uh, yeah, based on the research results, actually, yeah, and how to find uh, references, okay, yeah, from the internet, yeah, for your research, yeah,
Now I
okay,
have
is that
another one question. Just
yes,
want to ask during we are doing the research, right? So during the
yeah,
data collection, so what
yeah.
are the best method to minimize the error, right, when we are collection the data?
You mean what method should you use?
Yes.
Yeah, uh, you have three options. Yeah, number one, quantitative method. Number two, qualitative method or approach. And number three is mixed method. So which one to use? It depends on, yeah, your research question. Okay. The easy way to do this is to follow, yeah, other researchers. Yeah. If of course you have to read uh, articles. Yeah, you have to read articles to do research, and of course, yeah, some of the articles, yeah, uh, are similar to the research that you are going to do. Yeah, similar. So you can follow. Yeah, you can follow the method used by the authors, by the researchers, yeah, in your study. Yeah. So don't make your own method. Okay. So you can follow what other people use for their study. Yeah. Which is very similar to your research. Yeah, for example, you are going to do an experimental research. Yeah. So from the references, from the articles you read, yeah, of course there are some experimental research. So you can follow it. Yeah. So method is an easy way to write, yeah, because we can follow other people. We cannot copy paste, yeah, the method used by other people because, yeah, we have a different focus, we have a different population and sample, we have a different instrument, we have a different research context, yeah. We cannot copy paste, yeah, yeah, from someone articles, yeah, but we can follow it, yeah, we can follow it, use the same approach. Yeah, you can even use the same instrument. Yeah, as far as you acknowledge, yeah, that the instrument you are going to use in your study is taken from someone. Yeah, yeah, adapt or adopt. Yeah, if you adopt, means you just take it. Yeah, it's okay as far as you are acknowledge it. It's no problem. But if you adapt, yeah, you change a little bit, yeah, you have to check, yeah, the reliability, yeah, of your a new instrument. You have to try it out. Yeah, okay. And again, your method section, yeah, must be argumentative too, not just descriptive. Yeah, you have to explain, you have to discuss or justify, yeah, why you choose qualitative approach, for example. Yeah, why you choose mixed method, for examples. Yeah, and then why you use a particular instrument. Yeah, a questionnaire or interview, or checklist or test. So why? Yeah, you have to be argumentative, not just descriptive. Data collection procedure, for example. Yeah, how will you collect the data and why? So you have to answer the why. Yeah, to be argumentative. Yeah. Data analysis technique, for example. Yeah, you decide, yeah, to use a particular, yeah, data analysis technique. Yeah, but why? The answer to that why can be by following someone. Yeah, following blah and blah. Yeah, we use data analysis procedures like this. Yeah, so that is already an argument. Yeah, you follow someone. Yeah, of course with the same or similar research. Yeah, okay. Is there any other question?
Yes, Prof.
Yeah,
Um,
please.
yeah, just to be frank, asking these questions. Okay. Based
Yeah,
on your practice, when it
yeah.
comes to starting doing a research or article,
Mm,
because what we have learned from you since the first day, you're talking about in terms of writing an article, right?
yeah.
In terms of
Research
a
article.
research article, yes, research
Yeah.
article. So as a new, how to say it, a new a guideline for new research
Mm,
article
you-
writer,
mm,
what is the what should be the first step, second step,
mm,
the third step? For example, we talk
mm,
about the title, right? We talk about the literature review. We talk about so in
mm,
terms of in terms of the writing, what should be the step
mm,
that to simplify the process and to make it fast when we
mm.
are do research article? What is your best practice? I would say that.
Okay, thank you. Yes, good question. Yeah. Um, you have to decide, yeah, which field of which research interest, yeah, you may take. Yeah, what is your interest? What is your uh, yeah, what kind of research, yeah, do you like to do? Yeah, or what field, yeah, are you interested in doing the research? Yeah, do you like linguistic field? Do you like teaching, language teaching field? Yeah, or classroom management? Yeah, what else? Language testing. There are many options. Yeah, yeah. You need to focus on one uh, field, okay, to be able to produce a good research articles, okay, at one time at least, okay. For example, you are going to write a research article next semester. Yeah, you can start from here, from now. What do you like to do? Or I want to do research in the field of English language teaching. In English language teaching, in what aspect? Yeah, or the use of technology in English language teaching, yeah, or the uh, practices, of English language teaching in one place, in one area. Yeah, so you have to decide this first. Yeah, and then start collecting articles, yeah, related to that field, related to that research interest, collecting, yeah, taking articles, recent articles, yeah, not all articles, yeah. So after getting enough, yeah, enough, I mean, about 30, 40 articles, yeah, uh, on a particular field, yeah, or research interest, yeah, then read the articles, not the whole articles, yeah, just read the abstract, yeah, just read the abstract of the articles, okay. So after reading, yeah, uh, write something that may become the topic for your research, for your future research. Yeah, after reading the abstract, okay, you will get some inspiration, yeah, from that, from reading it. Yeah. What I mean by inspiration, of course, you are looking for something which is not, uh, which is rarely investigated, which is not yet investigated, or which is still uh, necessary, yeah, to be investigated. Yeah, you cannot decide now what you are going to do research about, yeah, because you haven't read other people's research yet. You can start with the problem to uh, begin looking for articles, yeah, to know the answer. For example, yeah, you ask, you have a question, yeah. For example, yeah, why do students dislike English? Okay, why do students dislike English? Okay, that's a big question. Okay, so you can go to the literature and find some references about it. Find some studies about it. Yeah, you may find the answer to that question by reading. Yeah, which is, you don't need to do research. Yeah, you can get your the answer of your question by reading other people's work. Then, and it doesn't mean that you cannot do research. Okay. Yeah. After reading the references, after reading the articles, you may get the answers to the question, but still it needs further, yeah, studies. Yeah. You get, for example, an incomplete answer. Yeah, what about this? What about that? Okay, so to answer that question, you can do the research. Yeah, that is the genuine research. Yeah, don't do research based on a problem only. Yeah, you have a problem, you experience a problem. For example, you are teaching English, and then your students are afraid of grammar. Yeah, your student don't like grammar, for example. Yeah, you can find the answers by reading references, by reading other people's work. Yeah, and then find what else need to be investigated. Yeah, you don't stop there. Yeah, don't stop there. Yeah, you have to think and search. Yeah, for another another aspect. Yeah, of that problem. Yeah, for example, if you have got the reasons, yeah, for students to be afraid of learning grammar, for example, yeah, you can find the solution, not the reasons, yeah, but the solution. Or other people have also done research, yeah, to find the solution. Yeah, see if the solution are effective. Yeah. Oh, yes, some are effective, but some are not effective. Okay, and then you can do research on that topic. Yeah. It means the problem is not solved yet. Okay, one of my students came to me yesterday. Yeah, she wanted to do research on the corrective feedback. Yeah, from the supervisors. Yeah, thesis supervisors. She found that students want uh, clear and detailed feedbacks, from the lecturers on their thesis. Okay, but lecturers want to give simple, yeah, and simple and little feedback. Yeah, maybe the lecturers don't have enough time, yeah, to read the thesis and to respond, to correct, yeah, or to give suggestion, yeah, to improve the thesis. You see, so this is the problem. Yeah, students' expectation is different from teachers' practices. Yeah, and how to solve this problem? Yeah, and she found that no study investigated that problem yet. Yeah, no study trying to solve that problem. So I suggest, yeah, to her that, yeah, why don't you do an experimental study? Yeah, by finding uh, a possible solution, yeah, to that problem. So what is the possible solution? Ask the students, yeah, to write questions about his or her thesis and give it to the lecturers. So lecturers, yeah, will read the thesis and answer the questions, yeah, in written, yeah, in written form. So by doing that, yeah, the lecturers must comment, must write, yeah, suggestion or correction about the thesis to answer the students' questions. Yeah. If the student only give the thesis to the supervisor, yeah, okay, sir, this is my uh, thesis, yeah, my draft, yeah, please comment on it or please give suggestion, yeah. And usually the supervisors, yeah, they don't give complete comments or enough correction, yeah, or detailed response to about the thesis, yeah, and the students are not satisfied with it, yeah, yeah, because the students want to fix, yeah, the thesis as soon as possible, and they need someone, yeah, to review, yeah, to check the thesis. Okay, so this is one way, yeah, of solving the problem. Yeah, this is one technique, yeah, to be tried out, yeah, whether or not this can be effective. Yeah, so we are not sure, but we can do that. Yeah? We can try it out in an experimental study. Yeah, so this that the way. Yeah, you have to decide, yeah, what field you are interested in doing research, and then collect references, research articles about the same field to get idea, yeah, to get inspiration, to get what is the possible topics, yeah, to do research. So learn from other people, yeah, learn from reading others' work. So this is academic writing, yeah. It's not a composition writing. Composition writing, yeah, you don't need to read, yeah, yeah. You can you need to think and to imagine something, yeah, or to pretend, yeah, to be creative, yeah. But in academic writing, yeah, you cannot do that. Yeah, you have to read. The first step of writing is reading. Yeah, that's the first step of writing. So the more you read, yeah, the more knowledge you get, and usually the better your writing is. Yeah, after several practices, of course. Yeah, we cannot write the final draft, yeah, for the first time. Yeah, we have to write several drafts, and often we need other people to read our draft. Yeah, we cannot find the weakness or uh, uh, the mistakes, yeah, in our writing, and that is why we need a peer reviewer. Yeah, peer reviewer. We have to give our draft to somebody else. Yeah, maybe your friends. Yeah, to read your work and to find, yeah, the mistakes. Yeah, or the weaknesses. Okay.
Okay, then thank you,
So
Prof. And
okay.
what is
Yeah.
the hardest and time consuming, the longer time consuming in doing research article?
In writing research article, the hardest one is to write the literature review. Yeah, at the beginning. Yeah, literature review, because if we are not trained, we don't practice this, we tend to write uh, 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 literature review like what people call shopping list. Yeah, shopping list is to write or to review one research one by one. Yeah, somebody did this and found this, another person did this and found this, another did this and found this. So like a list of research, yeah, a list of research findings, without trying to classifying or grouping them, without trying to connect one research with another research. Yeah, without trying to show our position, without trying to evaluating the findings of other people's research. Yeah, we are supposed to criticize, but it is difficult, yeah, to criticize. Yeah, at least, yeah, we can compare one study with another study. We can connect one study with another study by using a conjunction. If you uh, if you uh, write in your literature review, yeah, for example, three studies, yeah, three studies on a similar topic in one paragraph, yeah, you can compare them. Are they different or same? If they are the same, yeah, you can use a good correct conjunction like similarly, also, Okay, you have to use that. Yeah, but if you uh, find that the three studies are different, yeah, you can use the conjunction like in other word or in on the other hand, yeah, unlike, yeah, or different from. Okay, so by doing that, yeah, you don't just present the studies in a list, yeah, but you have try, yeah, to group them, to connect them, yeah, to relate one study with another, and to compare them, yeah, before you can criticize them. Yeah,
Mm.
that is the most difficult one. Writing the literature review, because the product or the end of the literature review is the research gap. If your research literature review doesn't give you an idea of research gap, it means that you are not doing it right. Yeah? You are not critical enough. You are not evaluating the studies by other people. Yeah, so the conclusion paragraph in your literature review is the statement of research gap. Yeah, so I have explained the research gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have also shown you two articles. Yeah, I have published about research gap written in abstract, research gap written in the introduction. Yeah, there are 5 or 6 different types of research gap, or 7 types of research gap according to a different author. Yeah. Okay.
So from that research gap, then it comes to the methodology and like data collection for the for the next process, right?
Yeah. Yeah. After the research gap, you can write your research questions. The research question is the result, yeah, or the follow up of the research gap. Okay. Yeah. And then in a different section, you write the research method. Research method is in different section. Yeah. Research gap, literature review, and centrality claims are in the introduction section, including the research question. Yeah. Centrality claim at the beginning, literature review after that, a statement of research gap then, and then finally research question or research objectives. Yeah, normally, in some journals, research question must be addressed earlier after the research problem or after the centrality claim, before the literature review. So literature review and then research gap is to support, yeah, to strengthen, yeah, the research question. But they are all in the introduction. Yeah. Okay. It is skill. Yeah. Academic writing is skill. Yeah. Skill must be practiced. Yeah, this is only the knowledge, yeah, of academic writing. And the bigger part of academic writing is to practice.
Yeah, I feel that too, sir.
Mm,
Because I
you
try
have to
to
practice.
understand from different research article, right? So, and
Mm,
then by putting your points that I have learned from you, sometimes we have to, from one article to one another, there's a different, how to say it,
mm.
we cannot just stick with one
One
structures,
model.
one
Yeah.
model, correct, one
Yeah,
model.
yeah,
Yeah, it
yeah,
is different.
yeah. The model I have given you are taken from articles published in international reputable journals, not in local journals. Yeah, you have to be careful. Yeah. Uh, International journals are journals indexed by Scopus or Web of Science, yeah, in English. Yeah. So if you read articles published in local journals, yeah, they may have a different style.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree. Because
Yeah.
last I attend the a seminar talking about the research, and one
Mm,
of our uh lecturer from Fatoni University as well. She raised
Mm,
about in terms of literature review. They said
mm,
in she follow whenever she do research article, she follow international model because the one
mm,
that
mm,
local, which is Thai model, is a bit
mm.
how to say it, it's a bit confusing for her lah.
Yes, yes,
I'm not sure.
yes. Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah. I did my dissertation on that aspect. I compared the way Indonesian people write the research article introduction, and I used international model, and I found that it is different. In Indonesian style, the introduction is longer, containing more moves, yeah, than the international model, yeah, by Wales, yeah, with three moves. I found four moves, yeah, four moves, not three moves. Yeah, it doesn't mean the Indonesian way is wrong. It is only suitable, yeah, when you write an article, yeah, in Indonesian language and publish in Indonesia. Yeah, it is not acceptable if you write the same way when when you write an article in English and to be published in international journals. So that is the problem. So where do you want to publish your article? In international journals, reputable journals, or in a local journals? If you want to publish it in local journals, yeah, you have to follow the style of the journals, or the common style, yeah, of journals in Thailand or in Indonesia or in Malaysia, for example. Yeah. So different fields have different pattern, different style, different language also have different pattern and different style. So I'm talking about the language is English and the style is international and social science field, not in physics, not
Local level.
in chemistry, yeah, not in literary, yeah, literature, but social science, yeah, including English language teaching. English language teaching, applied linguistics in social science, linguistic in humanity science, yeah, humanities, and also literature, and they can be slightly different. Yeah, language and field, yeah, uh, have a different pattern, different style. Yeah, yeah, like culture. Yeah, culture affects, yeah, the way people think. Yeah, the way people think affects the way people write. People from mathematics background, yeah, will write differently from people from, for example, engineering, yeah, or from medical, because they are from a different field of discipline. People from Thailand will write something different, use a different style, yeah, than Indonesian people, yeah, yeah, because we have a different language background. So language, yeah, have a culture. A culture affects, yeah, the way people think, and the way people think affects the way people use language, including writing. Although academic writing is more universal, yeah, yeah, but still, yeah, the influence of first language, first culture, yeah, into English, yeah, is still available. Okay.
I just dropped in the chat box about
Yeah,
the
yeah.
I mean what I can capture for the steps. So if you can correct it or
Yep, yeah, collecting article, okay. Yeah, read the article abstract. If you are not, it is not enough to read the abstract, you can read the conclusion. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, to get a better understanding. And then, yeah, get some idea, yeah, some, uh, what possible, yeah,
Mm.
possible topic for your research, yeah, to get some idea or inspiration. And then start, yeah, you can start with problems, okay, yeah, of course,
Mm.
yeah, And then so for another aspect, that the problem. Yeah, after collecting the articles and reading the abstract, plus conclusion if necessary, yeah. Now then you group, yeah, the articles. I usually print the first page of the article, the one with the title and the abstract. I print it out, yeah, because I cannot group them if they are not imprinted. I have, for example, 30 articles, so I print the first page of the article, so 30 pages, and then I read, yeah, the abstract, and then I group the articles according to the similarities. Yeah, for example, similar focus, yeah, similar field, similar uh, research topic, question, and so on. Yeah, based on a particular similarities, I group them. Yeah, it can be into three, four, five groups of articles. Yeah, maybe also I group them based on the level. Yeah, studies uh, on university student, studies on high school students. Yeah, so I can group them based on the level of the respondents. Yeah, I can also group them from the method, yeah, they use. Quantitative studies in one group, qualitative studies in another group, mixed method studies in another group. So there will be three groups. So there are several ways of grouping, yeah, the articles, yeah, that we have collected. You have to group them. Yeah, I usually group them based on the topic, the focus, yeah, of the research. What is the emphasis of the research? Yeah. So it makes it gives an easy way for us, yeah, to review, yeah, the studies in the same group. Yeah, we can compare the findings in the same group. It is it is impossible for us to compare the findings of studies from a different focus, different level of education, for example. So this is the most difficult part, yeah, to write, yeah, literature review, because we have to avoid writing literature review, yeah, just like a list of studies. Yeah, because if you just list the studies that you review, you cannot draw conclusion. How can you draw a conclusion from 20 or different studies, for example, yeah, without grouping them? Yeah? If you have grouped them into three or four groups, yeah, at least you can write a conclusion, yeah, from one group, yeah, from one group. The first group, yeah, for example, yeah, uh, will be written in one paragraph, and in the last sentence of your paragraph is the conclusion, the summary, or your comments on the studies, yeah, written in that group. So you have a conclusion from each group, from each paragraph, and then it is uh, easier, yeah, for you to write a general conclusion of the literature review. Yeah. You just take the conclusion from first paragraph, take the conclusion from second paragraph or second group of references, and take the conclusion from the third paragraph, and then you write the main conclusion from the whole studies that you review. And then from that conclusion, yeah, you mention, yeah, the research gap. Yeah. So the research gap is to the statement about what have been investigated, yeah, or what have been studied and what have not been studied. So this is to avoid, yeah, repeating, yeah, or doing the same study with what other people have done. So if you do that, yeah, you happen to do the same study with what other people have done, your result will be useless. Yeah. If you write an article from that repetition study and you submit to a journal editors, yeah, are very informed about what studies have been done, and then your article will be rejected very soon. Yeah, because journal editors, yeah, like me, yeah, do not want to publish the same article or similar article, similar studies results, yeah, twice. Yeah. Since I have to read all articles submit to my journal or to our journals, yeah, I know what have been published. Yeah, I know what have been submitted to the journal. I still remember, yeah, what articles have been published. So if you submit another article very similar, yeah, to the one which has been published, so no reason to publish the articles. Yeah. Yeah. So doing literature review is to avoid that. Yeah. Avoid doing the same study again. Yeah, because, yeah, the result will not give a contribution, yeah, to the literature, to the reader's knowledge. Okay, is there any other question or comments? Okay, yeah, what should we do next week? Yeah, next week, yeah, I have to go to a different town, yeah, which is called Lubuk Linggau, yeah, on Saturday, and I'll come back on Sunday. But uh, at the same time, at this time, yeah, I will be still on the way, yeah, from Lubuk Linggau to Bengkulu. Yeah.
So
What can
based
we
on
do?
based on your plans, what is the
Yeah.
how many session that you need from I mean in this workshop?
This is our eighth session, right? Eight class.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. A class.
Yeah. Yeah, about two more. Yeah. I just want to get some results. I want to see the results from you. You know, how can you show me the results? Yeah, what we have been discussing so far. So I want to see it. Yeah. I will not give you an exam or a test. Yeah. Because this is a workshop. A workshop must be followed by a practice, and the result, yeah, can be seen. Now, how will you give me the result? What do you want to do? Maybe it will be too difficult for you to prepare an article, yeah, a draft, yeah, uh, to give it to me. But if you want to do that, yeah, you can write an article draft, but not the complete draft. You can write, for example, the title, introduction, and methodology, method section. Yeah, no abstract. Yeah, just title, introduction, and methodology. Yeah, just three parts. Yeah, title, yeah, introduction, including literature review and research question, and then methodology. Yeah, can you do that?
Actually, I was about to ask you about this as well.
Yeah.
Because if to as to be honest, because I have no I have done because I did IT, right? So I did my a final
Mm.
year project, which is mostly about web applications, which is not
Yeah,
about research article like this.
yeah,
So it might,
yeah,
it
yeah,
takes times. In the same times, we
yeah,
have a different subject and assignments. Is a lot to be,
yeah,
to be honest on that
yeah.
part as well. So
Mm.
yeah,
But
it
what can
is.
you do? Yeah, can you
Yeah,
write just the introduction section? Yeah, just the introduction or a title and introduction section. No method.
inshallah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Title, no abstract, and introduction section. Introduction section is about uh one 6,020%. Yeah, 1,000 words. Yeah, 1,000 to 1,200 word. Yeah, introduction section. Yeah, the beginning of the introduction section is the centrality claims, and then literature review, and then research question. Yeah. After the literature review is the research gap. Yeah, and then research question. Or title is simple. Title is easy to write. Okay. Yeah. So title and then introduction. Yeah, just introduction section. Okay. So I want you to write it and
Please,
so
others, I need
yeah,
to listen from others as well because there's
yeah,
it's only me listening this. How about others?
yeah.
It's yes, Muhammad
You can
Fatin.
give me the draft. Yeah, next week. Yeah, I'll read it first, and then for the last week, yeah, we'll discuss this, yeah, one by one.
So I just want to summarize. So what you need from us is just the title and also introduction.
Title, introduction section. Yeah, you can read my articles. Yeah, as an example. Yeah, what I write for the introduction section. Yeah, and do the same. Yeah, for a
Mm.
different title. Yeah,
Mm. How about others? Can I hear from someone
yeah.
if we agree with
So
this one?
more or less, yeah, 1,000 words. Yeah, 1,000 word is only 2 pages. Yeah,
Mm.
2 pages or maximum 3 pages. But
Inshallah, sir.
this,
I think we
yeah.
can try to do that.
Okay, thank
Uh,
you. Yeah,
excuse me, submit
yeah.
next week, right?
Next week, yeah, if you can finish it, so I have time to read it and to comment on it before you submit the final version, yeah, of the introduction.
So you mean next week we just submit the draft,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't have class next week, yeah,
Uh-huh.
because I will be on the way.
Mhm.
So just give it to me, just submit it to me. Yeah,
Ah, I
you
see.
can send it to my WhatsApp address, yeah, or yeah, if you are uh not confident, yeah,
Mm.
don't share it in the group. Yeah, you can
Mm.
send it directly to me, that
Mm.
draft. Yeah, okay.
All right, sir. Thank you
Yeah,
so
that
much.
is the different between lecture and workshop. Yeah. And lecture can be followed by exam. Workshop can be followed by the result, the product. Okay?
You, Prof. I think that
Yeah,
that one is a good idea as well. At least we can practice,
yeah, yeah,
inshallah.
yeah. The most
So,
important thing is you can write the literature review. Yeah, that is the most important thing. Okay? Yeah, if you are not very sure, yeah, this lecture is being recorded. Yeah, so you can always refer to it again. Yeah, after I process the recording, or Basri can share it, yeah, with you. Yeah, recording. Okay, I think that's all for today. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I'll see you again in 2 weeks. Yeah, in 2 weeks. Yeah, we don't have class next week. Yeah, because I'm on the way, yeah, to another town. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah.
Okay.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Shukran, Prof. Inshallah, see you after
Okay.
2 weeks. Inshallah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay,
I see you. See you.
Assalamualaikum, Prof.
Okay. Waalaikumsalam.